Nice.
Okay, so this is your butterfly feeding stick. You pick up a butterfly, you want to slide underneath their front 2 feet and slowly lift because that's where they feeds from. If you go too fast, they will fly away, so please take your time.
Okay.
Watch the floor, they're like being there because it's warm. 10-minute limit, exit on the other side. Okay?
Okay.
Take one and then dip it in there.
Agárrala del palito. Show me. Why do they like it? Slowly before he flies away. Hey. Oh, Cole, there's another one on you. Oh, Cole, stay still. You can't, huh? Careful. Oh my goodness, he's so big. Finger. There you go, Sam. There you go. Oh my gosh. You go that way. Carol might be ready to go. And then that's you don't
Whole bunch just landed on me. That blue one just landed on me.
Oh, you're just... You need a size fry.
That big blue one. Yes. Yes, good.
Oh man, I thought
Nope, there he goes. I got the big blue one on me again. Oh, it took off.
Look at that shoe. Oh, no. That one. Don't do that. Go do finger only. Finger only. Finger only.
Yeah, you have to have them land on your...
Turn around, please. Bye, Gordy. Get out of here. Samuel, this way. Okay. I shook off my hat. I got him off my hat.
Ready to go?